My people, welcome to Pidgin Science Tutor, the only place where you feel learn science or pidgin. Sometimes they say science too hard, but for this our platform, we dey break all science things so that you go fit grab the basic idea of how they work. So today our topic will be very interesting. I know some of you don't already know. Now this thing. Okay, wetin they call wetin I just do now? Then they call am yawning. So many people, make una check am. If I yawn as I just yawn now, most of una fit not even start dey yawn. Wetin dey cause this matter? Why yawning be like say e dey spread from person to another person? E come be like say na one kind spiritual thing. So today I go break am down so that we go fit understand the $1 million question. Wetin be yawning? Yawning na when person open mouth, take deep breath and close the mouth back. Normally, we dey yawn when we don tire or when we need oxygen for brain. But wait oh, why e be say if one person yawn and that person dey also follow one yawn? Very tight. You go get the answer now. Scientists don find out say yawning dey contagious. That's anybody fit also catch am because of mirror neuron wey dem dey special inside our brain. Now, this neuron dey try copy anything wey e see. So e come be like say our brain dey connect with people around us. If your friend yawn, the brain or the mirror neuron will tell you say, guy man, yeah, follow do the same thing. But e no end there. People wey get strong connection like family and close friends dey also catch yawning and na dem dey catch am pass. So your pal fit yawn, you man you go also yawn. Your brother, sister fit yawn, you go also yawn. Now, e get some people wey no fit catch this yawning. Yes. So no be everybody dey catch. Now, small pikin wey never reach 5 years no dey too catch yawning like baba dem, like senior men dem. E mean say this yawning matter, e dey connected to how we sabi feel wetin another person dey feel. E dey show say we get empathy. You ask me wetin be this empathy? Now, empathy na when you fit feel or understand wetin another person dey go through. E be like say you put yourself for that person's shoe and you fit sabi how dem dey feel. E fit be say you feel their pain and understand their situation. Even some animals like dogs fit yawn when dem see human yawn. But cats no go send your papa. So my people, how many times una don yawn since this video start? Drop your answer for comment section. No forget to like, follow and share for more people to sabi science in pidgin. I will see you in my next video.